Hey mates, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to set up Tron wallet and send and receive USDT aka Tether on the Tron blockchain, and we will use the Cake wallet for that. Let's begin. Go to wallets and create a new wallet. Choose the Tron network, give it a name. You can generate a random name or create your own name. Then you will see the seed phrase. Keep it in a safe place because that's the way to restore your wallet, and don't share it with no one. Now that we have the Tron wallet set up, you can see the coin of this network called TRX, and with this coin we're going to pay the gas fees. The gas fees are very cheap, and this is very fast network. It supports to 2000 transactions per second, so it's very impressive. And the good thing that Tether running on this network as well, so you can use USDT with very minimalistic fees. And so I'll show you how to add USDT Tether to the wallet. We need the token address on the smart contract on the blockchain. I'll show you how to get it. Let's navigate to the Tron official website, and we're going to check first it's the real website. Check the certificate. We see that we are really on the correct website because you don't want to fall to a scam. Many scammers will try to give you a wrong token address with the same logo of USDT, and then they will send you a worthless token and you think you got USDT Tether, but basically you've got shitcoin that's worth nothing. You need to make sure that you are using the exact correct smart contract address. Show you how to get it and where to get it. Go to tokens and choose USDT, and in the bottom of the screen you can see that's the smart contract address. You can click on it and view the code and contract itself. You can also go to the Tether official website. Under the USDT, look for the TRC token over the Tron network and make sure that you use the correct address. But do me a favor, check all those website certificates because there's so many phishing attacks. Make sure you use the correct website and this is matching the certificate information. So you got many ways to verify that you use the correct token smart contract address. Make sure. Let's copy it and paste it to the Cake wallet. And as you can see, it's already recognized it and it's warning you to avoid scammers. Double check your address. Yeah, it's very important. Okay. Click ticket and save yes and enable the view for Tether. And as you can see, it's added to the screen, to the wallet. As you can see, now we have two coins. We have the TRX, that's the native coin for the gas fees of the Tron network, and the USDT, that's the token that ride on this network. It's a smart contract. If you want to receive a USDT or a TRX, you give this address, the wallet address, and the sender will choose which token to send you. You can send you TRX, you can send you a USDT, you can send you Doge. Everything that run on this blockchain can be sent. Okay, and if you want to send to someone TRX, you just write the amount and you see the gas fee at the bottom. If you want to send USDT token, you choose USDT. The address is always the same for your wallet. It's the same as Ethereum, and you can see the estimate fee on the bottom. As you can see, it's not so harsh. Even if you send $10,000, it's less than $3 fee. Slide to the right if you want to see the transaction history. And if you want to see the seeds, just go to show seeds and that's it. You can see the seeds, the private key. It's very dangerous to share it with someone, so keep it in a private place. If you choose the wallet tab, you can see all the wallets. You can delete wallets, add wallets. If you want to add another token, you can add another token. Same method, you create your own token. Thank you very much, have a nice day. Like, subscribe, comment, ask question, whatever is good for the algorithm, but don't scam people. Scammers' comments will be deleted. Haha, cheers.